Okay, here's the gun with two sets of power bands. We got the green ones on front, and then we got the boosters on the back. This one's about 40 pounds. This one's somewhere around 80 pounds. So I'm going to take a test shot here, see how it comes out. So you have to have the outside bands, pull that down on the inside. Put the ball in, bring it back. Very easy to load because it's only 40 pounds. So next thing you do, you grab the other pouch and bring it back. It's about 80 pounds. And line it up, put it right on there. Now we're going to try to shoot the target. That sounds very powerful. So we got a major advance in the golf ball shooter without having to go to a cranking system.
Okay.
So, yeah. We show you the details later on in the video. That's it.
Okay.
Okay, with this two band setup here, what you want to do, the one that's on the front, so that'll be easy to see because I got green bands on that. You pull it through the inside of the other band. Take your ball and put it here. Pull it up. Just like that.
Yeah.
Mark a center line on your pouch so you know you got it centered. And next, pull your outer band and line up the marks. And you're ready to go. And we'll try a speed test here. See what we come up with. See if I can do it without shooting the chronograph. Okay, that showed 139 feet per second on that one.
139.
We'll try it again.
Okay, second test was 136.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so we got a top speed of 139 feet per second. With the green bands, I've only got 4 pieces of green rubber on each side for a total pull of about 40 to 45 pounds. And on the booster set, this takes it up to 90 pounds. So we got a total of like 130 pounds, 135 pounds, and it's real easy to load. It's much easier to load than the original golf ball gun that had a 100-pound pull. So I can easily take this up, add a couple more pieces of green rubber to each side, and shorten the tubes up about another inch. And when I get that done, we'll try another test on that one.
Okay.
Okay, just be aware, as the power goes up on these guns, you will have a substantial recoil. I put my cheek on the stock and it nailed me pretty good right there. You can see it's bleeding a little bit. I'm not sure if it's going to turn black, but just be aware that there is a pretty good kickback, almost like a shotgun, so be careful.